My name is Bam. I'm co-founder and CEO of Front. Front is an API platform that enables businesses to offer full embedded financial experiences to their end users. We're living in a world that everything is connected and powered by APIs. Why should you ask your own users to leave your platform and go elsewhere and perform a financial operations? What if you could offer the whole functionalities embedded inside your own application? Well, the connection layer as is broken. As one-way connection is stale, it's read-only access, and often based on a screen scraping. So to change that and offer a full embedded experience, we had to reinvent the connection layer. We just did that at Front using API-only approach with read, write, and transfer access. And that way, you can offer the full functionality inside your own applications. Your users want to connect their accounts and interact with those accounts in your applications. And if you don't offer that, they would go and find it elsewhere. So let's go to the fun part. We created a couple of good demos for you guys. We created a full interactive demo to visualize it better. It's basically sample customer applications that walks you through the user experience. And I have Jason here, our VP of product, and he's going to use real accounts, make real transactions in real time. Let's all hope that the internet works here. Go ahead,
Thanks,
Jason.
Bam. As we get into our embedded stock trading product, first I wanted to show everybody the experience that your users will go through when connecting with Front. We've built integrations with some of the most popular brokerages, exchanges, and wallets. And for this demo, we'll use Robinhood. We built proprietary integrations that allow the user to be able to sign in with username and password and not have to leave the platform to be able to create complicated API keys. And then we follow all the security protocols that the account has set up. In this case, I have a Google Authenticator app that I need to be able to enter the verification code now.
While we're waiting for Jason, it's important to mention that Front is passing the credentials to Robinhood, as you can see. And it's like the user opens the Robinhood app and does the authentication there. As a security-first company, we believe in zero-knowledge approach. And so we never store users' credential and sensitive information. We discard all the info past the session.
So first, we'll take a look at the user's holdings. Once an account's linked, Front acts as the instruction layer to pass requests to Robinhood and allow the user to be able to perform almost any action that they can on their mobile app without leaving your platform. We can be able to review the stock portfolio and the crypto portfolio here. And let's pay special attention to this account having 55 USDC. Now getting into some of our more exciting use cases, we also offer stock trading and crypto trading capabilities, allowing the user to be able to trade with any stock ticker and with almost any order type, whether it be market, limit, or stop loss. And then also offer crypto trading as well. So let's assume this user wants to be able to purchase USDC and make a market order for 3 USDC. We allow the user to be able to configure this order and then preview this order to make sure it's accurate before executing it. And they can be able to do this with one click without ever having to leave the platform.
Now, let's go to our most compelling use case, which is asset transfer. We are going to show you crypto transfer, but it could be other asset classes as well. So right now, if you want to do crypto deposit, you need to ask your users again to leave your platform and copy and paste the wallet address. It's not convenient, and it's not secure. So, and also you want to add the protection layer on top. Just make sure that there is no mismatched token or address formats before the transfer is done. Let's take a look how Front basically changes that experience.
So using the previously connected Robinhood account as our destination, we're going to show how you can be able to transfer assets from a self-custody wallet like MetaMask to Robinhood. So we're going to connect with MetaMask, and since this is a self-custody wallet, we need to be able to open the actual MetaMask platform, in this case a browser extension, to be able to authenticate the user. So they authenticate here, and then it gets seamlessly returned back to your platform to be able to continue the transfer. And if this was a mobile app, we would do the same thing, opening up the mobile app, taking them to the exact experience they needed to go to, and then returning them seamlessly back, so it seems like they never left your platform. So from here, we then look at the transferable assets that they have, in this case, Matic and USDC. And we're able to configure and then preview a transfer for 5 USDC. We give the user the ability to make sure that all the criteria is correct, transferring over the correct network, target address, and previewing any fees that might come with this. And then we send the user back to MetaMask to then confirm the transfer itself. Then from here, we are performing a lot of tests with our risk engine to make sure that everything looks correct in the transfer. And we do all the hard work so the user doesn't have to. And this is all without having to leave the platform as a whole. Just to show you guys that this wasn't all smoke and mirrors, we will bring up the Robinhood account that we have and look at the USDC holdings. And we'll be able to see that we have both the market order for 3S USDC and then also the transfer that came in for 5. And remember, this was all without having to touch the Robinhood site to be able to make this. So back to you, Bam.
Thank you, Jason. That was a magical experience. This is more than just a crypto transfer. This is going to change the way people pay with crypto and also get paid in crypto. And don't forget that Front is asset class agnostic and can be done for other asset classes as well. We offer more than 300 plus integrations. This was just a fraction of what we can do with Front, and we could show you guys in minutes. So I would love to ask you guys to go to demo.getfront.com and test the same experience as Jason showed you. And we have one more thing to show. We have basically launched our Front Wave program. We are giving $100,000 in credits to all the companies who are building on top of Front. And we would love you guys to also test that. And kudos to all of our customers that you can see their logos there that help us to kind of build this and launch this to the market. Last but not least, I want to basically mention that you guys can go to getfront.com and sign up for the service. If you're at booth number 19, we would love to talk to you. Come see us or contact us directly. This is Front. My name is Bam Azizi. We're here to change the way your users connect and interact with their financial accounts. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.